Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Danielle and today I wanted to go ahead and update you on my status with the ketogenic diet, how my results are going, how this week went, all that stuff. So let me go ahead and tell you how everything went down, all right? Okay, so jumping into it, how did my week go? It went pretty good. I'm just starting things off real slow again, just getting back into the swing of things, just trying to get back to life basically. I didn't cheat at all. It was a little bit of a struggle. I definitely found myself craving a lot of food, so I definitely do feel like I had a little bit of a detox going. But nonetheless, I stuck with it. I persevered. I did not do any intermittent fasting this week. I tried. It just wasn't, you just gotta start slow. So I didn't even count my macros. I just counted my carbs and I hit the gym a ton. I've been doing really good. I really cannot emphasize to you, especially ladies, you have to hit them weights because guys, your body is going to literally transform. I feel like with a combination of keto and weightlifting, the fat is just melting off. Will you lose a lot of weight on keto? I think yes, you will for sure. But keto essentially is a fat loss diet, okay? So, you know, if you have a large amount of weight to lose, yes, you will drop it really quickly just because of the carbs, like cutting out the carbs. But people get really discouraged by my journey because they're like, well, you're not really losing a lot of weight. I don't really have that much left to lose. You know, I'm at that like last 10, 15 pound thing where, you know, it may not, matter. And I'm not really even focusing on the scale as much. My scale actually broke. Thank God for those little blessings. Yeah, it actually fell and it was a glass scale and it shattered, so I don't even have a scale right now. So I didn't jump on it, but I'm not really concerned about a number, and I really encourage you guys to be the same. Go off how you feel, take pictures, take measurements, all those things. I definitely feel a lot better. I feel very happy. I'm very positive. I don't feel really run down. I don't feel achy. I've been back on taking all my vitamins, so all that's, is getting corrected. I have noticed I've been really thirsty, but I definitely can, contribute that to the, when I was really up in the carbs that last week when I had all that stuff going on. So I can really see that being my issue. So what are my plans for this coming week? Honestly, I'm really digging right now just because I'm really upping up my cardio and my weightlifting because now I have the gym membership. I'm really digging dirty keto. I know a lot of people like clean keto, they like strict keto, and that's great for you. If that's how you need to live your life, I am 150% for it. I just don't want to. I'm not saying I don't ever want to. Maybe one week I'll start it again. Just depends how I feel, that Monday morning waking up. But right now I am just kind of listening to my body when it's hungry. I definitely am going to stay with intermittent fasting. I really enjoy it. It just works for me to know, like, okay, it's this time, we're done eating for the night, get your water in, you can eat tomorrow at this time, and, it just works for me. I like it. Just because I, had such a screw up for that many days, I just couldn't jump back into it. I had to kind of get my body back in motion again. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to count my macros again for, I don't know when, maybe, I don't know. But I definitely have to, I like to watch what I'm eating with the gym and stuff like that. So I've been doing a lot of fasted workouts. I definitely feel like I feel hella lean. I've been incorporating a lot more ab exercises, really focusing on my core. I've been doing a lot of back, arms. I mean, I work out every part of my body again, and it feels so good. I feel so good. And that's what I want. I want to feel good. I want to look good. That's why I do this. This is why I, restrict the things that I want. This is why I go to the gym even when it's -30 outside and I don't feel like it. I just do it because I want to look good and I want to feel good, and I feel the best eating keto. I look the best working out. That's what works for me. I've been getting a lot of questions on, I don't know if it's, a lot of people are just jumping on the whole Weight Watchers thing or I track bites or whatnot, but a lot of my videos get dinged for those concepts. So I get a lot of people sending me messages, sending me emails. Why did you quit? Why this? I'm going to be completely honest with you. I don't like Weight Watchers. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if this offends you. I don't like it. I don't like the way I feel. It really triggers a lot of emotional eating for me. I really overdo it. I just don't like it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you feel that you have invented Weight Watchers and you are personally invested. That's great. My best friend loves Weight Watchers. She has had incredible results. She looks amazing. She doesn't like keto. She hates it. In fact, she thinks it's the worst thing ever. But, you know, she supports me and I support her. If you feel like Weight Watchers works for you, you do you, and you do, you know, whatever works for you. It just didn't work for me. I have a lot of overeating impulses. That's why I've been having my whole life. That, you know, connection in your brain to stop eating when you're full, that light doesn't go off for me. You know, I eat and I eat and I eat, and it's, oh, 0 point foods, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, I don't want to hear somebody come on here and tell me, oh, it's because, you know, you didn't think of the calories and there's 0 points but not 0 calories. Obviously, but that's not what they tell you. They tell you there's 0 points so you can eat them. Right? So this low carb thing works for me. It's higher in fat. It fills me up quicker. It works for me. I want it to work for you. If it works for you, then freaking great. Let's do it together. If Weight Watchers works for you, I got some shit back there you can watch, and it might help you out. You know, there's a lot of people who love Weight Watchers on here. Maybe they can give you some info. Not talking, not bashing it. I just did not like it for myself. My best friend, like I said, she looks incredible. She loves it, you know, and I'm happy for her. So I want to touch on that. 2, what am I going to do next week? So I think I'm going to stay with lazy keto. Not necessarily clean, because I'm not reading package labels. I mean, I wash the carbs, I cook every day, I get my vegetables, I do all that stuff. I don't try to do like a ton of processed food, but I am not going to pick apart every label. I find that to be incredibly unrealistic, and it's going to trigger something in my head, and I'm just not going to like it. So I choose not to do that. If that works for you, you do you, but I just cannot do it. I'll end up losing my cool and just quit, and I don't want to do that. So my workouts, I'm gonna keep on going. Usually, so I'm planning is I'll go to the gym Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Benny's going to get fixed, so I won't go to the gym on Tuesday. If I can make it there, I might, but probably not. Wednesday I'll be at the gym. Thursday I'll be at the gym. And then Saturday and Sunday. Those are like my days. I like doing them like that. And, you know, each day, depending on how I feel, how sore I am from the previous workout, is kind of how I figure out the workouts I'll do. So, but I just like it. I like having a little bit of me time, you know. If you work out at home, then that's great too. I did that for years. I just recently started going back to the gym. It's just I needed to get out of the house. I was feeling like a hot house plant. The fact that Chicago winters are super brutal has a lot to do with that. So what I wanted to do today, I get a lot of comments that I'm altering my pictures, that I'm altering my photos, that I am nipping and tucking places to make my before and after picture look different. I don't do that. If I was going to do that, I would have cleared out the cellulite on my legs. Duh. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this camera and I'm going to bring it to my mirror. I am in my little shorts that I always wear for the picture, and just a tank top that has a paint stain on it because I haven't finished getting ready yet. So I decided to jump in and film this video. But I want to share with you guys, honestly, what it really looks like. I have a lot of loose skin. I have a lot of cellulite. And we're friends, so I'm going to share it with you. I would hope that you guys are a little kind about it. But if you feel the need to comment on it, just, you know, whatever, do you, boo? But yeah, so I'm going to share with you, I mean, it's a lot of angles. There's always an angle. But I work hard for what I look like. I'm not 100% perfect. I have a long road to go, but I am damn proud of how I look, because I look a lot better at 35 than I did at 25, and I can promise you this. So it's a struggle and it's a lot of hard work, but I'm proud of it nonetheless. So, okay, I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with. Well, let me pull down all the goodies here. I don't want you guys seeing in the girly parts. And I'm going to pull up my tank top too, so you guys can, you know, I don't have a sports bra on, so whatever. Here we go. Okay, so this is what, if you're looking directly at me here, hold on, whoa. Okay, so this is what, you know, my legs look like. I was kneeling, that's why. I'm actually super paleo, so I have very short legs. My height comes in my waist, so I'm 5 foot, almost 5'7", 5'6.5". But yeah, so this area right here, a lot of people like to point out. I've had 3 C-sections, guys. 3 of them. And I've lost a lot of weight. So this is what my stomach, this is my stomach, okay? This is all loose skin. That's what it looks like. If I bend down, you could see, I could just, this is it. This is what 100 pounds lost, 3 babies. This is it. This doesn't go away. It wraps all the way around. So this is all loose skin. Okay, so I'm very self-conscious about it. I feel like you can see it in jeans. You can see I have stretch marks. You can see right here it gets a little breakdown on it. I mean, this is life. I have a little bit of loose skin on my legs too, but my stomach is the worst ever. My belly button's sad. And it's not like fat. I mean, let me see if I can show you. So you could see, it's just skin. So, yeah. We're friends, so I showed it to you, okay? But, yeah. So, but if you look, so this is usually the angle you guys will see. And that's what my stomach looks like. My waist is really small. I measured it today. It's like 32 inches. And I am very bottom heavy. As you can see, I got cellulite. That's just life. But I wanted to show you guys my arms. If you guys can see my arms and my tries. Pull that down. Like, there is definitely some muscle tone growing. Ladies, don't sleep on these upper body workouts. You can see, like, that back is really going to go ahead and just look hella good for the summer. You can definitely see a little more of definition. I mean, I'm not saying I'm like a beach body babe or whatever, but I'm working on it. And yeah, so, and then the butt got a little bit of a lift. So, yeah. That's it. That's all the jigglies. I can't believe I just showed you guys all my fat bits. Okay. Well, I hope you guys know that was really, really freaking hard for me, and I'm still debating if I'm going to keep this in the video. But you guys are my friends. We're on this journey together, and I think a lot of people see what I show them. And that's the internet, guys. People only see, you only see what we want to show you. But I never want to be that person, ever, for any video, any part of my life, anything, real life, YouTube, you know. We're real here. We're real people. We're just your everyday people. I'm just your everyday person, just trying to get my shit together. It's not easy. It's not easy. And some days I look and I cry and I just want it to go away, or I want to look like everybody else does, and how come I don't look like so-and-so? And because you're not so-and-so. You're you, and we will rock whatever curve we have. You are gorgeous. You are beautiful, and I think you are a freaking badass. So I want you guys to get up. Put your face on. My men out here, put your cologne on. Go get yourself a nice fade. And get dressed up. I don't care if it's even just to sit around your house. Get out of the house today. Do something. Go get a coffee. Window shop. Go to the grocery store. Whatever. Just get dressed and take a damn picture and get back in your pajamas. I don't care. Do it for you, because you're working hard, and I see you, and I'm here with you, and I applaud you, because it's not easy taking the road less taken. Okay? So, I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'm here supporting you, and I'm rocking with you this whole journey, okay? I have a lot of videos coming up this week. I actually got a couple extra, so be on the lookout. I did put up a keto Mexican dish on Thursday. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out. But I love you guys, and have a phenomenal weekend. I will see you guys on the next video. I love you all so very much. If you guys are new here, my name is Danielle, and we document our keto journey. We talk about foods, we talk about life, we talk about cleaning, we talk about fashion, everything that is anything in your everyday life we do around here. We just don't do one thing, because we're not cool. We cool like that. We just get around like that. But alright guys, I will see you in the next video. I'm going to take this paint covered shirt off and put some clothes on. Bye guys.